For some reason, I just want to do the Italian tune-up.
I wanted to race that because you're racing the Acura.
Why are we racing it? Why are we racing it? I don't understand.
It was testing us, man.
We're losing though.
Because we're so dead.
You know, this car, we beat all cars.
Except